Hi everyone, today I'm gonna do second project of my 100 Python project challenge. And for this project we will do Fibonacci sequences. Now I'm gonna do this with a function. So first I should initialize this Fibonacci function. Now I should ask the user how many times I should repeat this function, how many steps I should show, how many times to repeat. Now I know how many times I should repeat this, how many steps I should show. So I need three variables, I guess, yeah. First, I need my first number, then I need my second number. Uh, this one should be one. Yep. And for the last one, I need I need a variable to check if I'm mm, I need the third variable to check the times, check the steps, if I'm reaching the last step or not. So I will start it from 0 to good. Now while e smaller than times, I should check. I should first of all I need a new variable because I shouldn't check B. Yeah. Now I should use B to show sum of previous two numbers. That's how Fibonacci works. And I should make A to temp old value of B. Yeah. Hmm. Did I miss something? No. Yeah. I should increase E because if I don't increase it, this would be this while loop will be infinite and I don't wanna do that. Yep. Now I should check if it works or not. For example, uh, uh, I should use int here because input gets types default as a string and I can compare integer and string. That's why I get this type error. And I cannot line break after this. This I use this escape to add a line break \n. Now I will run code again and I wanna see four steps of these sequences. I should print B. Yep, I forgot to print B. Now I will run code again. Yep, it works. It's printed first four step of this first four step of this Fibonacci sequences. Um, yep, that's it for my second project of this 100 project challenge. Thank you for watching, and we will see you again. We will meet again in third project.